Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to guide you how to remove watermark from picture for free. Before getting started, I want you guys to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to go over to your browser or Safari, and what you have to do next is for you to type in watermark remover. Yes, they have different options here, but I'm going to tell you the one which you are going to choose. When you are done with it, you have to do go, and you're going to see two here, different options here. So you go over to the watermark. You're going to see it at the second place, the watermark, and here it said remove watermark from photos online free with AI. So you go over to upload image there, so you choose the photo which you want to remove the watermark from. So I'm going to choose this. Look at it, you can see some right up here. So I want to remove it because I like this picture over here, and it's loading. And what you have to do, by your left you're going to see before, and at your right you're going to see after. There's a line there, you just have to slide it by your left and you see all the right up is going to wipe out. And when you are done with that, you're going to go over to enable text remover, and which is removing watermark. Yes, and let me do it again so you can see it. You move it to the left, and when you are done with that, you have to scroll down. You're going to see download and undownload HD, whatever one you want to do, you can use it. So I'm going to go over to download. Let me download. In case you're using an iPhone, you go over to this place, and let me go over to this picture here. You see the right up over here is out. So let me save the picture to my phone. You're going to see save image, and the image have been saved to my phone. Let me go over to my photo gallery. You can see the picture here, the watermark is no longer there. And let me go over to show you this one here have a watermark. So let me show you together without watermark and with watermark. So removing watermark from AI is very simple. Guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.